Hello everybody, today you will make a San Giuseppe pasta. And I got a beautiful pasta over here, it's a muffaldine. And the ingredient what I gotta use is breadcrumb. Now, this breadcrumb I did by myself. I got a flake hot pepper, anchovy, garlic. Now the water boil, and let's go on the stove. And let's put salt. I put 2 teaspoons salt. And now it's a time for the pasta. Muffaldine. You can use a different pastas you want. Spaghetti or linguine, what you want. But I use this. Okay, this is the San Giuseppe. He's a carpenter. And the carpenter they make all this design like this. If for make this design, he was use martillo, scarpello, e canots. He use the arm, chisel, a wood shaver. Okay, now I gotta toast the breadcrumb and let's put a little oil and let's use the breadcrumb. I don't use all, but I use. But see, you want to use all, you can use all thing, but this it's enough. And make sure to put the gas on low. Okay, you don't want the breadcrumb with the burn. You gotta be nice gold color like this. You don't gotta do too much. Now, San Giuseppe, when he was working on wood, he got the sawdust. And when he use, it's what we call this sawdust, but we call breadcrumb. Okay, now we take it out. Yeah, I put it right on this dish over here. Okay, now we put a little oil, not too much. We let it warm up a little bit to the oil. At the same time, we turn the pasta a little bit. And now we got an anchovy. Now the anchovy gotta be all melted down. Like this, it give you better taste, but the only thing, make sure there's no burn. Alright, now it's time to put the garlic. Make sure there's no burn of the garlic. Now, little flake of hot pepper. And the smell, boy, it makes me so happy, really happy. Because when I eat my San Giuseppe pasta, oh, a nice glass of wine, hey, San Giuseppe, o falegname, o carpentiere. Okay, now let's turn the pasta, make sure everything is good. Yes, you see how nice? Okay, now let's use a little water pasta. Because we need this, okay? After the pasta, you gotta go right inside over here, and we cook a little bit together with the anchovy, the garlic, and give a really good taste. Look how beautiful it looks. I gotta use a breadcrumb right over here, and you need to mix like this to give a really good taste. Look, a little bit more. Okay, let's put a little bit more water. And this it's enough for now. But after one night, take it out of the pasta, still, you know, it go a little wet with the water, it's come out really good. Okay, now pasta's ready. Turn the gas off, and let's scoop the San Giuseppe pasta, muffaldine. And now I gotta saute it together, more than 1 minute, maybe a little bit more. We put it right over here. The gas on a little bit, and now we saute a little bit. Okay. Oh, this is so delicious. Okay. Now let's taste the muffaldine pasta San Giuseppe. Little pecorino cheese on the top. A little breadcrumb. Look at that. It gave a beautiful, good taste. Muffaldine. Really, really delicious. San Giuseppe pasta, it's delicious. I hope everybody make. Thank you very much, and we see next time. Thank you.